Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Discord tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to leave or remove yourself from a Discord server. So this can be useful for many reasons. Maybe you want to clean up your list of servers, you have way too many there, or maybe you joined a server accidentally and you don't want to be a part of it. So it's actually very easy, and the steps in this tutorial will work both if you're using Discord in the browser or if you have the app downloaded on your computer. So all we need to do is make sure we're logged into Discord and then just go into the left sidebar, find the server that you want to remove. So I have the Streamlabs server right here. Right click the server icon, so the image of the server. In the menu that comes up, all you need to do is go down to Leave Server, select that. Then it will come up with a window asking you to confirm that you want to leave. Keep in mind, you can't just rejoin. You have to be re-invited or have a link to join. Once you know you want to leave, go ahead and select Leave Server. And then boom, as you can see, it is no longer in my list of servers on the left side, and I have removed myself from that Discord server. All right, so that's how you leave or remove yourself from a server in Discord. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Discord tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.